like this, okay? So you're going to make an art using your name, okay? Let's say your name is Prewa. So Prewa, make some design with your name, Prewa. Okay? That's the first page of your portfolio. Do you understand? Question? Question? No. Next is your top 3 artworks. Top 3, like what are your top 3 favorite? Okay, so for example, you chose, oh, I like color theory. Okay, so you have your artwork with colors, right? So you can put there, oh, I like value lesson. So where's your artwork for value? I think I returned everything to you, put it there. Oh, I like lines. You remember the hand with the lines? Oh, you can also put it here. Or, oh, I like proportion, right? So you can put it there. Okay? Question. Only top 3. Alright? Next. Oh. My favorite artist. Okay? So let's say your favorite artist is Vincent van Gogh. So if your favorite artist is Vincent van Gogh, you put a picture of Vincent van Gogh and his artwork. Okay? You understand? So for this one, you can print. Okay? Print this picture. Don't give me black and white, okay? With colors, okay? So print this part and put it in the portfolio. So yeah. And then next is favorite lesson. No, I like the lesson about proportion. Remember the small and the big? You remember that lesson? The small and the big one? If that is your favorite lesson, you can put the artwork here. If not, it's up to you which is your favorite lesson. Okay? You understand? And your final artwork. So your final artwork, you'll do it for the next meeting, okay? Or do the final artwork for the next meeting, okay? And then after the final artwork, all your other artwork you put it here. So everything that you did for the whole year, you put it here. You understand? So let's say you did not choose lines, you put lines here and everything that is under the art activities. Okay? You understand? Any question? You have to submit this, okay? Do you have your artwork?